Hi, I'm Samira Kermani. I'm the principal and founder of Kermani Law Firm in Westwood. I'm a real estate attorney, broker, and mediator. One of the most commonly asked questions that I'm asked by my clients is how do I best protect myself when I'm purchasing or selling real estate? So basically, it would partially depend on if you are purchasing real estate or if you're selling. For example, if you're purchasing real estate and let's say it's residential real estate as opposed to commercial or income property, the most important thing that you can do is the selection of who is representing you. Obviously, in the marketplace, a lot of people use real estate brokers, some people use real estate attorneys, and one of the best ways to protect yourself is obviously to have great representation. Secondly, to do your due diligence with the utmost care, to really inspect the property, make sure that you have top-notch inspectors, and have someone walk you, especially if it's your first time purchasing, have someone walk you through the contract and understand the consequences of, for example, lifting your contingencies, different types of due diligence that are available to you. Another frequently asked question that I'm asked is how do I protect myself against fraud if I'm purchasing real estate? And it really depends what type of fraud. If it's a condition of the property that the seller knows about, and the seller, if it's a physical aspect of the property and the seller is not disclosing it, obviously doing your inspections with experts, licensed professionals, for example, foundation expert or environmental expert is key. If it's a non-disclosure of material fact that you would not know about, even if you did your inspections, let's say it's not a part of public record. For example, if you're purchasing a shopping center or an apartment building and you want to know exactly what the income is. You know, the tenant estoppels are important. But tenant estoppels don't always mean that the tenants are paying their rent or that the landlord has not given any concessions. So for that, we create, at Kermani Law Firm, we create custom disclosures, questionnaires basically that we submit to the seller on your behalf, and they're signed under penalty of perjury. My clients, when I represent them as a real estate broker, I own a real estate brokerage called Carlton Stone, and we're based out of Beverly Hills in West LA. When I list properties for sellers, they often ask me, how can I get the best price possible? In my opinion, again, depending on the market, the area, one of the best ways to get the best price possible is to run the comps, to know the market value for your property, and then to place it on the market and price it just a little bit below market value so that you actually attract a larger pool of buyers, and you set a time for when all the offers are due. And at that time, you have several offers that you consider at the same time. And you have now created multiple offer situations, so you're in the enviable position of being able to counter them with your preferred terms. And in my experience, when we've done that, it's created a bit of a frenzy and it bids up the price of the property and it sells well.